Hi friends, so welcome back to Einstein Thoughts. So in this video, I am going to share some information regarding Rail India Technical and Economic Service Limited. So actually it is a government of India enterprise. They are calling for 48 graduate engineering trainee through GATE 2020 and 2021 scores. So that means those who are qualified in GATE 2020 and 2021 score, so those candidates only eligible for this recruitment. So actually, RITES Limited, a Mini Ratna Central Public Sector Enterprise. So under the Ministry of Railways, Government of India is a premier multidisciplinary consultancy organization in the fields of transport, infrastructure and related technologies. So Rail India Technical and Economic Service Limited is in need of a dynamic and hardworking professionals under different categories. So like graduate engineer trainee, so in civil engineering. So similarly, graduate engineering trainee in mechanical engineering and graduate engineering trainee in electrical engineering. So the total number of posts in civil engineering are 25 and total number of posts in mechanical engineering is 15 and total number of posts in electrical engineering 8. And also they are segregated for each and every category. So how many posts under unreserved category and how many posts are under other backward caste and scheduled caste also. So coming to age limit, so the minimum age for this recruitment is 21 years and the maximum age is 30 years. So the cutoff date for calculation of age is July 1st, 2021. So coming to education qualification, so graduate engineer trainee in civil engineering. So we need to pass a degree in a full-time degree in BE or BTech or BSc engineering for both civil engineering, mechanical engineering and electrical engineering. For mechanical engineering, so we need to get a degree in mechanical engineering or production engineering or industrial engineering or automobile engineering. So all degrees are eligible for graduate engineer trainee in mechanical. And candidates belonging to general or economically weaker section category and candidates belonging to SC, ST or OBC non-creamy layer and person with disability applying against unreserved post should have the first class degree or minimum 60% marks in educational qualification for consideration against unreserved posts. So for example, if you are a candidate in OBC or SC, ST, so you need to apply for unreserved category. At the time, the minimum pass mark in educational qualification is 60% mark. So then only those categories are applicable for unreserved. So reserved category candidates, SC, ST, OBC, non-creamy layer and person with disability, they have at least 50% marks in minimum educational qualification for consideration against the reserved post. Final year or semester students are also eligible provided they have obtained minimum 60% marks for general or economically weaker section and 50% for SC, ST and OBC candidates. So there is a age relaxation and concessions also available here. So as per the category, they give some relaxation age. So coming to selection process, friends. So interested candidates fulfilling the eligibility criteria should have appeared for GATE 2020 or GATE 2021. For graduate engineer trainee in civil engineering, so we need to pass a paper in GATE is civil engineering. The code for that paper is CE. And graduate engineer trainee in mechanical, so we need to pass a GATE under mechanical engineering. The paper code is ME. Other than ME candidates are not eligible for this recruitment. Graduate engineer trainee in electrical engineering, we need to pass electrical engineering in GATE exam. So the paper code was EE. So other than that code, the candidates are not eligible. For example, electrical candidate, so he qualify in instrumentation paper, so then he is not eligible for applying this post. So we need to pass in EE paper code only. So after that, so candidates obtaining a valid marks shall only be eligible for the next stage of the selection. The marks will be valid only if the candidate obtains more than or equal to the qualifying marks as fixed for GATE 2020 or GATE 2021 paper. Candidates should apply with only one out of the GATE 2020 or GATE 2021 marks. In case any candidates applies using both GATE 2020 and GATE 2021 score, the higher score won't be considered for the shortlisting for further selection process. So candidates should note that only one score out of GATE 2020 and GATE 2021 shall be considered for shortlisting. So after that, so qualified candidates shall be shortlisted so category wise for interview based on their normalized marks out of 100. So in the corresponding paper of GATE 2020 or GATE 2021. So due to prevalent pandemic situation, so based on the requirement and discretion of RITES, the selection process may be conducted in online. So final merit list shall be prepared as per the following weightage distribution. So GATE marks out of 100, 75% and interview 25%. So remember friends. So coming to salary point of view. So before that, so nature and period of engagement. So selected candidates will be on training for a period of 2 months. So on completion of training period, the candidates will be engaged as an engineer in IDEA pay scale of 40,000 rupees to 1,40,000 rupees on probation for a period of 2 years. So coming to remuneration, so candidates will be placed in the IDEA pay scale of 40,000 to 1,40,000. So during the training period with the starting basic pay of 40,000 rupees. So candidates from government departments or PSU are eligible for production of their basic pay in accordance with the policy of the company. So depending upon the merit of the case and as per the company rules, they are providing leaves also. And one more important thing friends is service agreement bond is there. So the selected candidates so will be required to execute a service agreement bond to successfully complete the prescribed training period and thereafter serve the organization for at least 3 years. The amount of the bond is 1 lakh rupees including the GST for general OBC non-creamy layer. Similarly for SC, ST and person with disability and economically weaker section candidates, so they need to give a bond for 50,000 rupees. For example, so if candidates wish to resign from his service, so during the training period or within a period of 3 years, so after the training period, the above amount will have to be deposited. That's the service agreement bond. Coming to application fee, friends. So for general and OBC candidates, so they need to pay the application fee for 600 rupees. So including taxes, plus taxes, and for economically weaker section and SC, ST and person with disability candidates, so they need to pay the application fee 300 rupees. So plus taxes. So right friends. So that's the recruitment from RILE India. So Technical and Economic Service Limited. So it's a best opportunity those who qualify the GATE exam. So in 2020 and 2021. For especially electrical and mechanical and civil engineering. So those who qualified, so don't miss the chance. First, you need to apply for this job. So already the online application also started. So I will provide the online application link in the description and advertisement link also I will provide in the description. So you can go through directly in that. So that's it guys. So and one more request friends, still now those who are not subscribe our Einstein Thoughts, so please do subscribe our Einstein Thoughts and please like, share and hit the bell icon. So we will meet in next video. Until then, stay tuned to Einstein Thoughts. So thank you for watching.